So I just got back from Costco and it's been a while since I've done a grocery haul and I got a few new things to try, so I wanted to share them with you guys. I'm getting ready to go stay in a cabin in the area of the Bryce Canyon National Forest in Utah, and so a lot of these food items are for that trip. So this is not just like an ordinary grocery haul for my family for the week. This is like a cabin going out of town grocery haul. So we're gonna start over here. I got a huge bag of golden potatoes for a meal I'm gonna make, and then I'll have extra, but this whole bag was $5, so it's a way better deal to get that at Costco. These, the LaCroix winter flavors of the sparkling waters, I was really excited about these, mostly because it said winter flavors, and I'm a sucker for anything like seasonal. So this has the cranberry, berry, and tangerine. So excited to try those. We got some hefty paper plates for the cabin because we're gonna have a lot of kids and probably not enough dishes to go around. Moving over here, I got my kids these Smarty Pants vitamins. They were on sale. I really love the women's complex of this, so I got these for my kids. They are starting to get like all the Christmas stuff out, and these things, I'm warning you guys, do not buy them if you do not have self-control. We're gonna bring them to the cabin for like playing card games with our friends at night. I'm sure we're gonna eat the entire bag. And then I also got this as like a healthier treat, these coconut and super seed dark chocolate nuggets. I got my kids' favorite bean burritos for lunch. That's not for the trip, it's just for the freezer. The Dave's bread for the trip, making sandwiches for hikes and egg sandwiches for breakfast. I had to like meal plan for the weekend, so got that. We're just out of this. This is something I always keep in our house. I got this pumpkin spice quick bread mix. I like to buy it every year when it comes to Costco because there's just always gatherings in the fall and it's nice to have something quick on hand. Got some half and half to put in like a hydro flask for our cabin trips so that we're not hogging up all of the refrigerator. Tortillas for breakfast burritos while we're there. We're gonna, whoa, I'm losing things. This was a new thing that we're gonna try. This is the street taco thingy from Costco. It comes with everything you need in here and it says 12 count, but my family loves tacos, and so I actually had to get 2 of them. They are kind of pricey, 15 bucks, but it's cheaper than going out to eat and easier. So I got this for the first night we're in the cabin for just an easy dinner. The next thing I got are these Hillshire snacking plates. I've shared these with you guys before. I really like that they have 16 grams of protein. And for a like snack plate tray, the ingredients are amazing. Look at those. The ingredient label, and it's like a Lunchable. So if your kids eat Lunchables, I mean, like the, you know, like the Oscar Mayer ones, I'm not being judgmental, but they are really filled with bad ingredients. So maybe try these if you want a better option, but also convenience for hiking and whatnot. Same thing, got the single serve Sargento balance breaks. I like these. They're good for snacking like on road trips, and so I grabbed those. Then I also got these. These are a new buy, these Terra Real Vegetable Chips. My daughter is actually allergic to sweet potato, so she won't be able to eat these, but my husband and I will enjoy those with a sandwich when we're doing some family hikes. And then I got the veggie straws for my kids. We were out of razors, so needed those. We're going through these a lot faster now that there's 2 of us in the house using them, so that is crazy. I got some organic Fuji apples. I don't buy all of my produce organic, but Apples are something I always do because the wax in the film that's on non-organic produce is really disgusting. I got this organic salad mix. My friend and I are taking turns cooking dinner, so I'm making lasagna, and then we're gonna have salad for my meal that I'm bringing. I bought a whole thing of eggs that I'm probably gonna bring some of and then hard boil a few for easy snacks. I got the herb roasted Columbus turkey breast for sandwiches. This is like real turkey, as if you were to shave it off of a turkey. So I really like to do actual meat, not like disgusting filled lunch meat type stuff. Cliff Bars for the kids for a snack. Small romaine hearts for sandwiches and whatnot. Ground turkey for some for the lasagna, some I'm gonna freeze. I got some chicken tenderloins. I'm gonna make like a healthy chicken salad with Greek yogurt so that we have like a protein option for our lunch already made. I got berries to cut ahead of time and bring with us, and then I got peppers for a snack to go with our lunch. So that is everything that I got at Costco, minus one thing that I cannot show you because it's for someone who's in my house, and I spent $3.75. So that's everything that we got in this Costco haul. So let me know if you guys have ever tried these street tacos and if you liked them, and let me know if you love all the peppermint things down in the comments below. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing just a quick Costco haul and maybe some new things that you might pick up the next time you go. If you like grocery hauls, give me a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video really soon. Thanks for watching.